Hi guys, Michael here from Offaly GA. Hope you enjoyed last week's session, hope you had fun and actually got something out of it. This week's session we're going to do something similar. We'll have some fun games, some movement games and stuff like that. So we'll get going straight away. For this session, what you're going to need is, you're going to need some water bottles like this. You're going to need some teddy bears or anything at all that will stand up, and you can set them up like this, like it's a game of bowling. You'll also need a hurl. You'll need as many small balls or slitters as you can find, and you'll need a football as well, or a soccer ball, or any big ball you can find at home as well. Okay? Alright? So if you want to pause the video, you can go and get the stuff, and then we'll get going as soon as you're back. Alright? The first thing we want to do, you leave down the hurl. All you need is one ball. So we'll come over here, and all we're going to do is work on a bit of coordination, hand-eye coordination. Alright? So first things first, nice and simple. We're going to see how many we can get in 20 seconds with 5 different exercises. The first one is around the back. Quick as you can, get that ball around the back and try and catch it to the other side, okay? We're going to go for 20 seconds in 3, 2, 1, off we go. Quick as you can, make sure not to drop the ball. If you're in junior infants, nice and slow. And if you're 6th class, then you can speed it up and do it as quick as you can, quick as you can, quick as you can. That's good. 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and it's very good, guys. Well done. Remember to count how many you get, and if you want to try it again then tomorrow, you can try and beat that score tomorrow and the next day, the next day, the next day. So, second exercise, again, 20 seconds each. It's going to be figure of 8. So we're going to bend down. We're going to put the ball in through our legs, in and out, in and out, in and out for 20 seconds, like a figure of 8, like you're making the number 8. Again, count how many you get in 20 seconds. We're going to go in 3, 2, 1, off we go. 20 seconds, fast as you can. Again, if you're in junior or senior infants, slow it down, take it nice and easy, make sure the ball goes into your hand. If you're in 5th or 6th, speed it up, go as quick as you can, keep moving, keep moving, keep moving. If you drop the ball, it's okay, just pick it up and go again. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Excellent, guys, that's very good. Skill 3 for hand-eye coordination. All we're going to do is nice and simple. We're going to throw it up in the air. We're going to catch with 2 hands. If you're in junior or senior infants and you find that difficult, don't throw it as high, and you can use 2 hands. If we're in 4th, 5th or 6th and we're really strong at catching, we can throw it up high and catch with the left, then throw it up high, catch with the right. So switching hands every single time. Left hand to right, right hand to left. So whatever you think you're able for, you can do it. 3, 2, 1, off we go. 20 seconds. Right hand to left hand, up high in the air. Or if you're in junior or seniors, throw it up, catch with 2. Up to yourself. That's good, guys, keep going. Eyeing the ball all the time, always looking at the ball. Very good. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Very good, guys. Remember when you're doing that, always keep an eye on the ball, always looking at that ball. Next one we're going to do, second last one. We're going to do a little different again. We're going to throw it up, we're going to clap, we're going to catch. So again, if we're in junior infants or senior infants, just throw it up a little bit, really quick clap, and catch with 2 hands. If we're in 5th or 6th, throw it up high, clap, catch. Throw it up high, clap twice and catch. See how many claps you can get. 3, 2, 1, and off we go. Got the clap that time. If there's 2 claps, try and test yourself. Get as many claps as you can. Can we get 4? There we go. 3 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Brilliant, guys. How many claps did you get? If you got 3 today, maybe try and get 4 tomorrow. Try and throw it higher so you have more time to clap more. Last one, in terms of our hand-eye coordination, we're going to go on to a difficult one. Maybe if you're in junior or seniors, it might be a bit too hard, but for the older groups, this is perfect, okay? A good challenge. So we're going to throw it up, we're going to spin around, and we're going to catch. Again, we can catch with 2 hands, or we can catch with 1. Challenge yourself, see what you can do, okay? So we're going to go for 20 seconds, get as many catches as you can after the spin. 3, 2, 1, off we go. There's a 2 hand catch, 1 hand catch, right hand catch. Keep going, 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and relax. Very good, guys. That's our hand-eye coordination done. Lots of catching, lots of ball contacts. That's very, very good. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember, you can keep practicing those day on day on day until next week's video. Okay? So we're going to move on. We're going to do something a little different. So we can leave the hurl and the small balls to the side for the minute. We're going to play a game of bowling. Okay? So we have our items here, our water bottles, we have our teddies. You can set up like we're playing bowling in a triangle. Set them up any way you like. What we're going to do then is we're going to take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps away from them with our big ball. Now if you're in junior infants, maybe you take 2 steps away. If you're in 5th or 6th, you can take 7 or 8 steps away. That's up to yourself. Okay? With our big ball, all we're going to do is grab it like we're bowling, underarm throw. We're going to roll it along the ground and try and knock the items. We're going to try and knock as many items as we can and see how many throws it takes us to get all the items onto the ground. So, you ready to go? We're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and off we go. And I knocked 2 items that time. I run after my ball, and we'll go again. And we'll keep going. We'll keep going, guys, till everything is knocked over. See how many throws it takes you, and see if you can get a strike as well. Get them all knocked in one throw. So that's our first game of bowling, guys. Remember, after you've knocked them over, set them all up again. We have our triangle shape again, okay? So we can leave the ball to the side, this side the big ball. Now we're going to grab our hurl and our balls. Small balls or slitters. Again, we're going to come out here. So, the idea is the same. It's trying to knock down all the items with the ball. So it's a ground strike this time. We're going to use our right side and our left side. We'll see how many times it takes us. Again, if we're in junior infants, start closer, maybe 2 steps away, and if we're in 5th or 6th, maybe 7 or 8 steps away. So it's up to yourself. Ground strike, use the right side and the left. So we're going to go in 3, 2, 1, and I missed. Left side this time. I got 1. And again, guys, we keep going until we get all the items knocked, okay? So if it takes 3 goals, if it takes 5 goals, if it takes 15 goals, we keep going till we get them all knocked, okay? That's round 1 or round 2 of bowling. I'm going to grab my slitters. I'm going to fix up the bottle again. I'm going to come back out here. Round 2 of bowling. Again, it's just a progression. We want to strike out of the hands, okay? Again, if you're in junior infants or senior infants and you don't feel confident striking out of the hand yet, that's okay. You can keep practicing on the ground, all right? But for this one, for the older kids, we want to strike out of the hand. So again, right side and left side, we try and knock them. There's 1 knock. Left side this time. And I missed. Back to my right. And it bounced off. So again, we keep going until we get them all knocked. And no matter how many goals it takes, try and get it done as quick as you can, alright? That's round 2 of bowling. We have 1 more round. I'm going to grab my slitters. Yeah, that's it. So, last round of bowling. This round is called, this is my favourite round, it's called the trick shot round. So for the trick shot round, what I want you to do is, once you use your imagination, think of something outside the box, a different kind of a skill to get those balls knocked over, or those items knocked over with the ball and her, okay? So an example might be, put the ball on the ground and I might, through my legs, try and strike it. Or I might throw it really high up in the air and try and knock it over, okay? So again, it's just use your imagination, think outside the box, do something different, have fun with it, and try and get them all knocked over that way, okay? That's week 2's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember, you don't have to do it just one day. You can do it today, tomorrow, the next day, until next week's video comes out, okay? Hope you enjoyed it, hope you had fun, and I'll see you next week.